In space, we notice that the sky remains dark even with the presence of the sun. On Earth, the sky is blue during the day because of the presence of the atmosphere that spreads the rays of light from our star. But in space, we do not have this effect. And moreover, the absence of the atmosphere allows us to have a more detailed view of the stars. It has only half the size of Earth, but has large deserts, seasons of the year, and even a day with just over 24 hours. From space, we see violent sandstorms which devastate the planet for months, and the giant polar ice caps of water ice and carbon dioxide ice. The length is almost 4,500 kilometers, and in the deepest points it can reach up to 10 kilometers deep. Saturn is almost 750 times larger than Earth in volume, and is composed of the same light gases of Jupiter. But the feature that most draws the attention here are its rings, although it's not the only one, because all the giant gaseous planets of the solar system have rings. When we approach the rings, we find out that what seems to be a solid thing, when we look at distance, are in fact composed of trillions of small pieces of ice and rock. The smallest pieces are the size of a grain of dust, while the largest ones are the size of houses. The ice on the rocks have several chemical elements that give colors to the rings. Let's accelerate the time to follow the journey of a comet into the solar system. Far from the Sun, the comets are just blocks of dirt ice, but close to our star, they are transformed into objects with long tails of gas and dust, heated by sunlight. Comparatively, the thickness of the atmosphere would be like the thickness of a shell of an onion, and even so, this is the layer in which we live. In Africa, we can see the Great Desert of Sahara, the biggest desert on Earth. The deserts on Earth occupies more than 20% of the surface of our planet.